Hey everyone, it's been forever, but I am up at the cabin. Well, actually I'm at Walmart. I have to go in and get some supplies, but I'm up at the cabin where I'm going to be doing my projects and just to get out of town for a little while. But yeah, gosh, it's been, I guess November was the last time I was up here. We were here in October for my daughter's grandfather, and then I came back in November briefly. But it's been a while, but it's nice to be up, and I'm looking forward to digging into the lithium battery upgrade. But for now, I'm going to run inside and walk through Walmart with impunity since I'm partially vaccinated. I'm still going to wear my mask, but you know, I'm invincible now, right? Step one is let's get the heat turned up. That'll be good for now. So I have to get my tool to turn the water on. Whatever I did with that. There it is. Got to go turn the water on. The faucets should be open, so I'll turn the water on and we'll hear it running. See expansion cracks. This place warms up and cools down, and then there's little drywall cracks that I'm going to have to patch up. But everything looks good. My neighbor across the street always has the gossip. She came over and filled me in on everything that I missed out on already. I hadn't even barely gotten out of the van yet. All right, the valve is on, and oh, let me close this. Almost didn't remember to do that. All right, now let's get this thing going. Hello, little van. All right, well, here we are. Time to start unloading. That's the fun part, getting all the air out of the lines. As the water heater fills up. Oh, there it goes. That's what happens when you don't have the water on for a few months. I'll let that clean out. Once that's finished, I'll turn the power on so we'll have hot water tomorrow. Tonight, maybe. So I'm gonna keep unloading. Okay, I have everything unloaded. I've got a mess to deal with and stuff to put away. So I'm gonna get settled in. So first up is, well, tomorrow. I'm not gonna do anything today. It's 3, I don't know what time it is. Whatever time it is in the afternoon, it's like 2 o'clock. I'm just gonna settle in and start tomorrow. So the first thing that I'll have to do is take things apart. So I need to take the back seat out and a channel that covers some wiring and plumbing. I need to take the generator outside door off and then identify the bolts for dropping the generator, and then probably drop the generator after that. And that'll be kind of phase one, getting everything taken apart. I might take out the old inverter tomorrow also. And yeah, so I'll show you that. And then the next couple of days will be laying out all of the components, identifying the wiring again. A big piece of what I need to do is kind of lay everything out physically so that I can find out where things can go and where they fit. I also need to keep them in fairly close proximity so that I can do the wiring with what I've got. So I will start with that and then start assembling things without wiring them. I'll just put them in place. So I wonder if I have any post-it notes. That would be helpful. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that we are here, well, I am here, we meaning me in the van, and going to get started. It's nice today. It's probably 60 degrees outside. It's going to be in the 30s tonight, and then tomorrow it'll be nice again during the day. And working inside the van, even if it's 40 or 50 degrees out, is still pretty nice because you're inside a metal box and it warms up. So with that, I will cut this off for now, and stay tuned. I'll show you taking things apart, and we'll see how things go. Till next time, have a great day.